ProgId Table. The ProgId table contains information for program IDs and version-independent program IDs that must be generated as a part of the product advertisement. The ProgId table has the following columns. Columns ProgId, the program ID or version-independent program ID. Products listed in the ProgId table are registered if the CLS ID listed in the class column of this table is scheduled to be advertised or installed. When the ProgId is selected for registration, all products that refer to this row through the ProgId parent column are also selected for registration. ProgId parent defined only for version-independent program IDs. This field is a foreign key into the ProgId column. To define a version-independent program ID, enter the corresponding ProgId into the ProgId parent column. When the ProgId is selected for installation, the corresponding version-independent ProgIds associated through the ProgId parent column are also selected for registration. Class an optional foreign key into the class table. This column must be null for a version-independent ProgId. If the class value for a ProgId is null, the ProgId is registered when it appears in the ProgId column of a row in the extension table and the extension has at least one verb associated with it in the verb table. Products selected for registration in this manner do not install other products that reference the current ProgId through the ProgId default value. Description: an optional localized description of the associated program ID. Icon: an optional foreign key into the icon table that specifies the icon file associated with this ProgId. This is written under the default icon key associated with this ProgId. This column must be null for a version-independent ProgId. Icon index: the icon index into the icon file. This column must be null for a version-independent ProgId. Remarks: the register ProgId info and unregister ProgId info actions in sequence tables process the information in this table. For information about using sequence tables, see using a sequence table. Validation: ICE 06, ICE 36.